So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a page border or how to change the border color of your page here inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, on this top bar, so where it says Home, Insert, Draw, and Design, etc., go ahead and press on Design right here to open up the Design tab. Then go to the far right to where it says Watermark, Page Color, and Page Borders. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you were to go ahead and press on borders and shading right here, press on that. What you can actually do now is add a border to your page. So you can go to page borders right here. You can go to borders, change whatever the case you may be. You can change it to like a box or a shadow, whatever it is. You can go also to the shading right here. To change the colors, if you wanted to make the color, let's just say blue, for instance, or red, I'll go ahead and press on red. Once that is done, I'll press on OK. And there you go. You've now added a border. So you can say, this is my border, just like that. And if you were to go ahead and keep typing, you've now added a border around your page along with some text here in regards to your shading. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to add a border to your page here inside of Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.